Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the PRiSM scanner from Epiq. This scanner works very well with our iBwave survey mobile application. You can use it to do your P25 network survey or use it for your grid test. So let's get to it. So, comes in this nice box with a clip here to open. And when you open, you will see that you have your scanner here and two antennas. The small antenna used for lower frequencies. This is not used as often. You may want to use this one for most of your networks, the big antenna. This is your antenna. It will connect to the connector at the scanner. This is the scanner. As you can see, it's very small. Size of a card. Thickness not that thick. It goes perfectly behind any devices, whether it's a phone or a tablet. And it is connected via USB-C, which comes in the box as well. Once you have your antenna connected and your USB-C, simply connect to your device that has the iBwave survey application and you're ready to go.